Guys, welcome back to another video. So you did your wavy hair routine and it looked amazing, and then you had some much needed beauty rest, but then the next morning you woke up looking something like this and you're not gonna wash your hair. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can refresh your wavy hair, and don't worry, I'm going to be linking all the products I use in this video in the description box, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more wavy hair tips or modeling tips. Alright, so first things first is to brush the hair. Now you're gonna grab a spray bottle. I honestly love this one. I got it from Amazon. It's so amazing. So you're gonna want to spray all over your hair. You're gonna want to damp your hair, not super wet, but just damp enough. Let's not wet that. Now that you have your hair decently a little wet, not too much, I am going to be putting this refreshing foam by Not Your Mother's. So as many pumps as needed. And also, if you feel the hair is not that wet, it's too dry still, you can go ahead and add more water to the hair. But all you're doing is scrunching in the product. If you're not using the refreshing foam, you're just using water, then you're gonna be doing the exact same thing. You're gonna be just scrunching your hair. Instead of scrunching it just the foam, you're gonna be scrunching just the water in. So just add water if you feel your hair is still too dry, it's not damp enough. All right, now that you have applied the product or just the water, then you can grab a microfiber towel and just finish blotting. You can blot it or you can just scrunch the hair. Either way, I think it works pretty well. So just do that a few times all over your hair. And if you want, you can also redefine the bangs. Grab them like this and you can finger curl them again so they get really curly again. And now we wait for the hair to air dry. And we're back. It's been a couple hours and my hair is fully dry, and now I'm just gonna scrunch it out. I'm going to fluff out the roots. You can finish the routine here because honestly it looks really great, but I just have a tendency of brushing my hair with a rat tail comb at the end of every routine, so I'm just gonna do that. And then what I do is that I redefine the bangs. So I just grab them and twist them. And they're back. It looks so pretty. And this is the final result. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and also follow me on my other social media platforms. Everything is at Andre Ventur, that's with 3 R's, and I'll see everyone on the next one. Bye!